Stock market today. Dow falls on tech wreck as yields Hitch ride on inflation wave. The Dow on Friday suffered its biggest weekly sell-off as an unexpected step-up inside the tempo of inflation dispatched Treasury yields surging and put the screws on increased sectors of the economic system amid bets for more aggressive Federal Reserve price hikes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 2.7%, or 880 factors. The Nasdaq turned into down 3.5%. The S&P 500 fell 2.9%. The Consumer Charge Index rose 1% in May, above expectancies for a 0.7% boom, taking the year-on-year purchaser prices via May to 8.6%, its fastest rate because 1981 and above economists' forecasts of 8.3%. In an annoying sign for the Fed, the elements pushing inflation above clean 40-year highs are broadening past simply supply chain problems, with safe haven, meals and fuel leading the gains. The Federal Reserve is dedicated to decreasing demand to meet a supply-constrained international. This inflation studying will enhance that resolve, Yelena Malayev, economist at Grant Thornton, stated in a notice. Treasury yields jumped on bets that the Fed can be compelled to deliver 50 foundation factors at each of the subsequent 3 meetings, setting increased sectors of the market, which includes tech, which are vulnerable to growing fees, at the back foot. Apple, Nasdaq, AAPL, become down more than 3%, while Meta Platforms, Nasdaq, Meta, and Microsoft, Nasdaq, MSFT, fell 4%. Main the losses in large tech. Consumer discretionary also performed a huge role in sell-off, led through tour and amusement shares on fears that red-hot inflation will put a similarly squeeze on consumer spending. Caesars Entertainment, Nasdaq, CZR, Royal Caribbean, NYSE, RCL, MGM Resorts, NYSE, MGM, and Booking, Nasdaq, BKNG, have been amongst the largest losers inside the quarter. The tempo of patron spending is going to sluggish. We've got already visible that inside the alternatives they're making, chief strategist at Spouting Rock Asset Management Reese Williams instructed in an interview on Friday. There's been some anecdotes that even on services like cruises, demand is down for subsequent year, Williams introduced. People are a touch bit bowled over with the aid of how tons things cost. Financials had been driven lower with the aid of banks because the Treasury yield curve endured to flatten on bets of a capability recession ahead. Signature Bank, Nasdaq, SBNY, Capital One Financial, NYSE, COF, and Synchrony Financial, NYSE, SYF, slumped with the latter. That is touchy to cryptocurrency, also suffering broad stress from a rout in crypto. Bitcoin fell more than 2%, while Ethereum fell greater than 6% to a 52-week low.